Today, I'll walk you through how to block ads on any website in the Microsoft Edge browser, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to minimize unwanted ads and trackers so you can enjoy a more streamlined and private browsing experience. Let's dive right in. First, open your Microsoft Edge browser. Once it's up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a three-dot menu. Think of it as the gateway to your browser's settings, much like a control panel in a car. Click on it to proceed. Now, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to customize your browsing experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Privacy, Search, and Services. Click on it to open a new set of options focused on your online safety and privacy. As you scroll down, you'll come across the Tracking Prevention section. This is the heart of our mission to block ads and trackers. Here you have a few choices, but for maximum protection, select Strict. This setting is like putting on a suit of armor for your browser, blocking more trackers and enhancing your privacy while you surf the web. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Once you've selected Strict, your changes will be applied automatically. There's no need to hit a save button. Microsoft Edge takes care of it for you. And that's it. You've successfully reduced unwanted ads and trackers in Microsoft Edge. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step towards a cleaner and more secure browsing experience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.